We are talking with Lauren Mitchell today, the Vice President of Annuity Solutions with LPL Financial, and discussing this, what is known in the industry as longevity risk, but in layman's terms, it's basically, could I live a long life and outrun my money? So when you talk about that misconceptions or misinformation, Lauren, that's out there possibly about the annuity and all the negative noise about it, I really think it goes back to the understanding of which annuity we're talking about. Because when people make a blanket statement of annuities are bad, well, I always say, well, which annuity are we talking about? And when you think about how people respond potentially to the noise about annuities being bad, and how that contrasts with when they're asked if they're interested in owning an investment that guarantees income for life, there's a real divergence there, isn't there?
Oh, absolutely. Yes. I've seen a lot of research, as I'm sure you both have as well, studies that have been done that really kind of do almost like blind testing with consumers, where they talk about, just like you said, Scott, they describe the benefits of what an annuity solution can deliver without using the phrase or the word annuity. And when that's the case, there's this increased response of interest in that solution. And many say that they would purchase that type of financial instrument based on the descriptive factors of what they can offer. When you just remove the word annuity, it changes the game. According to the Alliance for Lifetime Income, 79% of people who don't already own annuities say that they're either somewhat or extremely interested in guaranteed lifetime income. So again, they're really focused and interested in the benefits that an annuity can deliver. It's just, you got to remove or sometimes not talk about the label that's been put out there, and with those generalizations and things, as you were talking about before, and the negative connotation that's been given to those kind of very general descriptions that's been given.
And I think that, Lauren, you're hitting on exactly what we talk about here at GenWealth on a constant basis, and that is what really matters is the outcome that you get from your financial plan. And the outcome is the provision of income.
Right.
And there is no other investment product that will guarantee a stream of income to you other than an annuity. Now, some of them have very high probabilities of, producing income, dividend stocks and things of that nature, but no one can step up and say, this is a guarantee that will last you from this point forward. And I think, Scott, that's where a lot of people find that comfort, that 79% that Lauren referred to. That's where they really do nest up.
Sounds like a lot more like a pension, doesn't it? Right?
Yes, it does.
It's privatizing your assets with a portion of your assets to create a pension for you, a lifetime income that you cannot outlive. And I think it's also worth pointing out here, too, that we're not obviously telling everyone that an annuity is right for them. We're also not saying that all of your money belongs in an annuity,
not.
right? Because
no, it doesn't.
The other part of that is that check may remain flat for your lifetime.
Yes.
And you have to have other assets that are invested in things that will grow over a long period of time, historically speaking, so that you can add to that income and give yourself inflation-adjusted raises.
And it all goes back to what we said at the beginning of this interview, is that the plan is the foundation of everything, because it's from the plan that you decide whether or not an annuity is necessary. It's from the plan that you gauge out how much income that you're going to need to increase over time to offset inflation. It's from the plan that everything emanates, and that's why we are a planning first team here at GenWealth.
So how living a long life could be a problem for your retirement? Pretty simple, straightforward. You've saved all your life. Those assets have to last for your entire life. And if there is a component of your income that needs to be guaranteed to meet basic life expenses, an annuity could possibly be a solution for you because of the guaranteed income it can provide.